than this. Can get better. It can't get better than this. Let me tell you all about it. Let me show you. It can't get better than this. Have you seen it? Have you heard it? Have you seen it? It can't get better than this.
Ang sakramento ay nagsasalamin ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa sangkatauhan. Ang inyong pagsasama, isinasalamin nito yung pag-ibig ng Diyos sa sangkatauhan.
So don't even try, don't even try. There's a symphony you're missing. If you only listen, you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Thank you. Yun ang pinaka-message ko. Kasi thank you talaga sa care and always sa mga days na sad days ko sa life. Andyan ka always. Ayun. Thank you.
'Cause you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
2016 nung nag-download ako ng OKC. Online dating application yun. So swipe left. Tapos nakita ko yung name mo and yung address nakalagay Tokyo, Japan. And nakita ko mukha kang Japanese and gusto kong matutunan mag-Japanese kaya nag-hi ako sa'yo. Tapos I think madaling araw yun nung nag-hi ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong pumasok sa utak ko.
Before kami nag-meet, nag-pray muna ako. First of all, nag-pray talaga ako. And then, dumating ka sa madaling araw, nag-hi ka. Di ko alam kung taga Palawan ka, pero alam ko, may interest na talaga ako sa'yo nung nag-message ka.
Finally, eto na. Hindi ko inaakala na yung simpleng hi dati. Ngayon ay yes, I do na.
Talagang sobrang happy ako na naging asawa kita.
Siguro nagpapasalamat ka. Lagi mong sinasabi na sobrang swerte mo sa akin. Pero ang totoo, at siguro ngayon alam na nila kung bakit na baliktad dapat. Mas swerte ako na nakilala kita kasi sabi nga ni mother dati, swerte daw ang babaeng nakakapangasawa ng walang bisyo at para daw nanalo sa loto. Kaya ngayon napatunayan ko na totoo yun.
Dear Merly Hilado Sul /Capote. Di, thankful ako na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Thankful ako na nag-hi ka sa akin unang-una sa dating site na inanahan natin.
Thank you for this day na, ayun nga, masyado na tayong naghanda. Na alam ko masyado ka nabigla na naging April bigla yung kasal na supposedly last year. Pinlano natin siya ng September. Pero kasi natatakot ako na baka magbago ang isip mo at hindi mo na ako pakasalan kaya pinaaga ko na. And gusto ko i-celebrate yung birthday mo na kasama kasi first time to na mag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo na nandito ako. Kaya see you later in the altar, love. Love you.
Feel the rain on your skin, feel my hand in your hand. No, you can't do it all, so So just do what you can. Feel the rain on your skin. Feel my hand in your hand. No, you can't do it all. So just do what you can. Feel the sun on your face. Bare feet on the ground. I know you'll see beautiful things if you look around. Just look around and you'll find big magic in the mundane. The big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice that.